Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What's your broccoli call?
This stuff falling from the tree.
And it's gonna end up right in my nose.
Really? No, not that. It was made a splash.
Oh, so it's not pollen?
No. Oh, I see another bubble.
That's okay. I can't believe you actually did that. He opened his own orange. Once again, Louisiana showed herself and started to rain on our fishing trip. Luckily enough, we were hanging out underneath a bridge near what we have named Bad Luck Bayou. All day long, we did not catch a single fish. The only thing we caught was Hunter's giant lily pad. We went ahead and dumped out the rest of the crickets. Don't drop the bucket in the water.
I can't do it. Can you?
And retrieved one of our lost bobbers that was popped while snagged on some underbrush under the bridge. Then we went ahead and started racing the rain back to the launch yet again. If you enjoy our videos or get a good laugh out of some of our antics, go ahead and click
Subscribe.